Next, how to add text wrap to a video that you're embedding on your page of Google Sites or to an image that you're adding to a page of Google Sites. I will expect you to have your videos and or your images in text wrap. But sometimes text wrapping can be a little frustrating in Google Sites. That being said, let me kind of go through the steps of how to do that. First, click on your image or your video that you want to put in text wrap, and this box will appear, or these options will appear. This is your wrap off and your wrap on, so obviously I'm going to turn my wrap on, and then notice how it starts to wrap the text around it. Now I can change where that is. I can put it into a right justification or a left justification or even a center justification. So those are some settings that you can change as well. Sometimes you won't be able to get the image or the video you're trying to wrap correctly. So let me just show you that. If I pick up the picture, in this case, it looks great. This is great. But let's say I want to move it to a different spot in the paragraph. If I pick the picture up and I drag it into the text, please notice what happens to my cursor when I get over the text, when I'm dragging the image or the video. You'll notice that the cursor turns into the mouse pointer, but at the very tip of the mouse pointer, can you see the cursor line that is following it? See that little cursor line? So I'm going to put that cursor line because the cursor line is what designates where text will begin to wrap around that image. So in this case, I'm going to put the cursor line in front of the S in sum. And then I'm going to drop it. Notice that's where it started wrapping my text. Now sometimes that gets even glitchy, and you'll click on the picture again and you'll notice that sometimes it will have bounced off of text wrapping. In that case, if it doesn't seem to be working right for you, check to see if text wrapping bounced off. Then you'll have to turn it back on. So experiment and play around with that, but I will expect your images and your videos to be put into text wrapping so that you can add creativity to the design of your page.